still staying in town? Well, because we've been begging for 6 months. We've been begging you guys to leave South Africa. Why are you still here? And then when you see us, you are running. So you are running. Where are you coming from? Uganda. So as you were running to Uganda. Where were you running to? Don't do this. You understand? The fight is not about you.
Yeah,
the fight is about correcting the systems and fixing our country. So we don't want to have a problem with you. Just please go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And what are you doing in town?
Just cooking food.
Phones.
Cooking food.
No, you can't leave your country to come and cook food here. It's not right. Constitutionally, you can't do that. Constitution doesn't allow that. Only South Africans must cook food for people. Please, go home.
Nkulamusiza muganda wange yekumidde wano ku Lincoln TV olunaku olwaleero ekiri e South Africa olunaku olwaleero kikambwe nnyo bana South Africa bali mu kugoba buli mugwira yenna e South Africa kati gwe boba oli e Uganda ng'omanyi oyinayo omuntu wo nkusaba munoonyerezeko abeerenga tafuna buzibu e South Africa. Ba South Africa bagamba nti bano abagwira babatuteeko emirimu ma office osanga foreigner te mu buli kimu kyonna ekiri e South Africa osanga yo foreigner osanga yo omugwira jukira bana Uganda bangi abali e South Africa bali eyo bali mu kuba kyeyo oizo gamba nti wano mu Africa teri nsi yosobola ogendamu okuba ekyeyo naye bana Uganda bangi bali eyo e South Africa bali mu kuba ekyeyo naye kati olunaku olwaleero video nga bw'ogirabye kasita bakusanga oba mu supermarket oba mu taxi oba ku kkubo bakubuuza oviirawa onoonya ki wano e South Africa kati bw'oba tolina kyakuddamu nga bakukuba nga bakulinyisa taxi era olina okuddayo ewammwe gye wava. Bana Uganda nalabyeko video ku social media muna Uganda omu ku bana Uganda nga bamubuuza nti kirabika akavuyo bwe kazze ku street ne bakwatayo abamu ababadde badduka kati muna Uganda ne bamubuuza gwe ova mu nsi ki n'agamba nze ndi muna Uganda naye omubuuza kati obadde odduka oddawa bannaye tusabireko bannaffe bana Uganda abali e South Africa ate president we Nigeria ngenda kubeera nga maaso awo mu kuteerako owulire ebigambo byayogedde ku kintu kino ekiri e South Africa ate ne banansi ba Nigeria abamu twalabyeko nga baba deportinga okuva e South Africa nga babaniriza ku kisaawe e Nigeria. Yes, ate bo ba Nigeria bali mu kwewaana bawaga bagamba nti mwe bana South Africa ekyo kye mukoze okugoba ba Nigeria mu nsi yammwe ate nga bonna fena tuli black Africans ate muli mu kubatulugunya bave mu nsi yammwe naffe kyetugenda okukola abammwe wano e Nigeria mugenda kirabako kasita mwe munakoma akakamanyiro kasita munakomya eyefujjo bo baliyita fujjo lye mutaddeko e South Africa okugoba ba foreigners mwe mukole byonna bye mukola naye kasita mumaliriza bwe muti nti ba Nigeria nabo bagenda kubeeranga nabo bekalakasa bakube bagobe bana South Africa okuva e Nigeria nabo baddeyo. Video ngenda gikuteerako mu maaso awo. Tova ku Lincoln TV gwe atanaba ku subscribing tubeere nga fenna tutambulira wamu wano ku Lincoln TV ate video nsaba ojiwe ka like eberenga etambula buli omu amawulire gana berenga agafuna buterevu gwe ali ku TikTok page yaffe Lincoln TV nawe genda maso berenga otufollowinga buli kimu kyonna kye tuteekayo tovaawo kankuteereko video olabe ekiri e South Africa.
It's even threatening our life. You are killing us over there.
Do you know that they killed one sojourn? Sojourn.
A sojourn.
Somebody who went to school, spent over 10 years. Is a common. Let me use the word common. Because that's how they describe. A common mechanic killed him. All for what crime? That they should leave their country. Who even likes South Africa if not for useless leaders that we have in Nigeria? What is South Africa? How many? Divide Nigeria in 6 places. You have one South Africa. When were you giving birth to? South Africa was born after, I think, 44 years of independence of Nigeria. Imagine. And today you come here that, do you know how much Nigeria has suffered? Do you know how much Nigeria gave South Africa? Nelson Mandela spent 27 years for your sake. Nigeria, during the time of his imprisonment, was always giving money to your country. Giving money, giving all form of assistance. You don't care. Today, these nonsense Zulu people, they say, because I see some of them sent me messages both on email. Please, we know there is a problem, but it's not all South Africans, that is the Zulu people. Dear Zulu people, we know you are all villagers.
Hunters.
Hunters. You guys don't have anything to do. You are always in the bush. So now, you have left the bush to the city. You are now looking for where people have already occupied so that you can stay, because there is no space. You are chasing foreigners. These foreigners will kill you. Yes, their problems will kill you. And because you are extending this to our people, we are not happy and we will not take it. So I send it straight to you, South Africans. Don't worry. We are here and we are equal to tax. We are talking to you from Nigeria. Nigerians are already fixing that problem that you created for yourself.
Yes.
You get to see their face. Hey, Chief.
Oh, yeah, Tini fair.
My leader, he's supposed to tap me. Tap me, man, get the anointing. The honorable.